Hi guys, this is Mrs. Gomez. Hope you're all doing good. Happy Monday. I miss all of you. Hope you're doing great. I just wanted to continue our phonogram instruction. I'm just going to talk about two phonograms today. The first phonogram is A, the four-letter A. Go ahead and repeat it with me again. A, the four-letter A. So these four letters make the sound A. For example, we have the word right here, 8, like the number 8, like I have 8 dogs. The next phonogram is I, the three-letter I. Repeat it with me, please. I, the three-letter I. And that phonogram says the sound I, like in this word, I sigh when I am tired. So look at these words. We have A, the four-letter A, and I, the three-letter I. Please go ahead and think of your own word that has the phonogram A, the four-letter A, and I, the three-letter I. And go ahead and write it down in a piece of paper. And each day think of one word that has each one of those phonograms. And on Friday, you could go ahead and submit me your words. And don't forget to underline your phonogram. Thank you. Have a nice day.